Today, I'm going to introduce you to a very useful website. The website is www.virustotal.com. With this site, you can perform free virus scans and malware scans on files downloaded from the internet, email attachments, URL extensions, or files on your computer or flash drive. When you enter the site, click on the Choose File button on the opened page. In the window that appears, select the file you want to scan and click Open. The website will start scanning, and it will show you the results. Here, you can see how many antivirus and malware programs found the file to be harmful. If the file is safe, all the program indicators on the screen will be green. I uploaded this file for testing purposes, and it was, of course, a harmless file. Now, I will upload a malicious file that I downloaded from the internet. As you can see, many antivirus programs detected malware and viruses in the file. Of course, since I didn't open this infected file on my computer remained virus-free. If a file you downloaded from the internet turns out to be infected, you can delete it immediately. You can also check suspicious URLs by clicking on the URL tab on the homepage, copying and pasting the URL you find dubious. VirusTotal allows you to scan files up to 650 MB for free. Malicious actors who create malware constantly generate new threats to avoid detection by antivirus programs. Therefore, relying solely on your computer's antivirus program may not be sufficient. While there is no 100% security, using VirusTotal can help minimize the risk of exposure to malware. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.